Cofio hanner I mewn I di, please.
Hanner be?
Cwpan de. Dwi'n isio dyn mawr fysa hynna fyna.
Chdi. Teimlo'n weird bod nôl, ond
Ond pam da ni weird?
yn gwybod. Lot di newid, ond
Be?
bob dim o sam byd yn yr un ffordd.
Tos am beth na di dod eto.
Be?
Fynd brod I posing.
Nes I ffonio Daniel a dweud, beth sy'n digwydd yn fyna? And he was like, na, ti'n mynd, cos reis rwan, da ni'n focused amdan Llundain. Am Llundain, so...
Ydy London Fashion Week dim di bod, na chdi?
Na, wythnos nesa.
Ys ti yn hwnnw?
Wel, dwi'n mynd I trio.
Na, ligon y waith, eich di fyny fyma.
Ie, dwi'n gwybod, ond, mae hwn yn opportunity, ac os dwi'n mynd 110%, fydda byth yn...
Ian, how long did Nathan Motley for lasting? I mean, your features are going to change.
Yeah,
Again, got to get lines like mine.
Yeah.
Crowd lines, laughter lines.
Ac hynna exactly pam, mae rwan yn pwysig. Ac os dwi'n hitio'r jackpot efo Burberry, dwi'n meddwl fydd fy career yn mynd...
Efo Burberry?
Yeah, absolutely. Achos...
Ti di gwneud hyn o blaen, do?
Do.
Ie, mae chdi sa cofio, dwi'n hen oes cofio.
Ie, ond,
Dwi'n very family orientated.
Ie, dwi'n gwybod. Dwi'n gwybod hwn.
O'n i yna tro cynta, when you had your first breath. Ond dwi'n gobeithio fyd I when I take my last.
Mae'n mynd
Ie. Dwi'n fel fydda i'n meddwl amdano fel e. Stupid, I know.
Na. Mae'n iawn. Ond rwan dwi'n gorau mynd.
Ie, mae'n rhaid chdi fynd.
Gobeithio ti'n dach dyna, ie.
Dwi'n bod selfish.
Na, ti'n bod yn selfish.
No, because, I'm not going to have another 75 years on this earth, na.
Os dwi'n mynd rwan, na byth mynd. Cos un peth amdano lle yma is os ti'n aros am rhy hir sy'n mynd gael allan. Mae'n dda I mi gweld be dwi'n gallu wneud pan dwi'n ar ben ei hun, ddim yn, surrounded by pobl dwi di adaptio bod rownd. Starting from scratch, pwy ydw I? Pwy ydy'r hogyn yma, Dim just
Wyt ti'n iawn.
Product.
Wyt ti'n iawn. Ti'n 21, Cared.
Ie.
Wyt ti'n iawn.
Dwi'n gallu coelio hyn, sti.
Ti'am neud rhywbeth ni be?
Wel, mate,
Bloody hell.
So ti'n dal yn gweithio efo Will, ta?
Ynddo, dal gweithio efo Will.
Ti'n siŵr mae hynna'n sustainable I chdi, mate? Cos...
Be ti fel?
Wel, ti'n 18, lad. Surely mae'n rhywbeth arall ti eisiau neud efo dy bywyd, mate?
Oes, dwi'n isio gweithio efo Will gyd o bywyd fi, ond mae'n iawn yn rwan jyst I gael pres fi fyny a wedyn staffio fyny am fan.
Ti'n meddwl amdan pethau fel, beth sy'n tu allan y game trade?
Na, dwi'n gwybod mae'n lot mwy bywyd tu ôl i'r mynyddoedd na. Ond ar y funud jyst isio gweithio efo Will neu echa na gweithio nôl yn tafs, gweld sy'n mynd.
Mate, o'n i'n yr un mindset o chdi iddo, mate. Os ti isio advice fi, a dwi'n gwybod ti'n di gofyn, dos, mate. Gadael, flock the nest, lad.
A mi na I, dwi'n meddwl, dwi'n eisiau mynd dros mynyddoedd na, dwi'n eisiau mynd allan o fyma, dwi'n eisiau byw yma trwy'r bywyd fi. Mae'n iawn I dod nôl, ond dwi'n eisiau aros yma trwy'r bywyd fi, dwi'n eisiau mynd places, dwi'n eisiau, hefyd dwi heb di bod o blaen, dwi'n eisiau aros yma, a na I ddim.
Ti'n gallu crafftio adra ar ôl a ti'n gwybod be sy'n dod pan ti'n drio,
Na, diolch am hynny. Dwi'n dach beth ti'n dweud, da.
Dwi'n isio mynd a dod yn ôl a ti'n fy ma dal chwarae FIFA efo, bysad Wotsits.
Crisps.
Crumbs bob man.
Ti di setlo fi iawn wan?
Do. Dal yn weird, ond,
Ti licio lle wyt ti?
Ynddo.
A be amdan bwyd a falle, ti yn byta'n iawn, wyt?
Mam dwi'n byta.
Ie, wel, dwi'n gwybod beth di byta chdi, a beth di, ie.
Dwi wedi dechrau gweithio yn pub. So...
O, reit,
Ie.
oce.
A mae hynny'n iawn. Dwi'n enjoyo fo.
Reit.
Mae nhw'n trio gael fi mynd fyny supervisor.
O, da iawn.
Ond dwi'n siŵr os fe cymryd o, just... Mae'n lot o responsibility sy'n dod efo yna. So, dwi'n gorfod cofio pam dwi wedi mynd lawr yna.
Dyma be wyt ti eisiau wneud, ie.
Wel... Ie. A... Y ffordd dwi'n weld o... Dwi'n well dros fyna.
Pen ti adra, you're a product of your environment, a ti'n mynd yn dol i'r hen ffordd, a'r hen cyn. A you get stuck in a rut. A wedyn pen ti'n mynd i ffwr a ti yn dol yn Llundan, fedra i weld y wahaniaeth, ti mwy upbeat, ti mwy determined, ti mwy committed. Hogyn Owain Gefni fyddi di erioed.
Of course.
Ie?
Dwi'n gwybod. Ie, dwi'n gwybod hynna.
Ond, sy'n rhaid i chdi fod yn hogyn yn Llangefni. It's a big world out there and you've taken the first steps.
A, na cario ymlaen?
O, dwi'n gwybod ni di. Dwi'n gwybod ni di. Tro ma fedra i weld y determination a bob dim yna chdi. Lot mwy na be dwi wedi weld o'r blaen. Definitely. A dwi'n gwybod bod na fwy i ddwad. And I'll always be proud of you no matter what.
Iechyd da, boys! Iechyd da, boys! Diolch, O, Mrs. efo swydd newydd. Neu fe? Accountant, fucking accountant. Real deal. Real deal, Mrs. efo. Yeah, boy. Ti'n fyddi od?
Fucking 20 quid, my boy, fuck.
Wyt ti efo diod?
Never got for this.
Mae'n ei fyna? Greedy guts.
That's it.
Na, da ni eisiau gwybod y stori.
Da ni eisiau gwybod y stori.
Stori am be?
It's not fine to exaggerate, yeah, man, okay.
Be? Y ffeit be? You got a lighter, sorry.
Yeah, I have got light, yeah, somewhere. Hang on, bear with me. When you going back tomorrow?
Go back tomorrow, Dad.
Oh, son.
Yeah.
I miss you when you're away, you know?
I know you do.
You know?
I know. But
I'm proud of you and everything, but I miss you when you're away. Can you understand that?
of course I understand it. I'll miss you too. I'm a man now, Dad, you know?
I know you are, fella. You've told me that many a time, but to me you're still that little boy, you know?
Yeah, I know.
You've done well, though, Cian. I'm so proud of you, mate. So
Tried.
You've tried. You've done very well, son.
I'm trying.
You've done very well.
I am trying, you know.
You okay?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm alright. It's hard to say goodbye, do you know what I mean?
I know it is. Come here, son.
I'll make you fucking proud, man, I swear
Oh,
down.
you will. You have done.
Yeah.
You have done, son.
Hi guys, my name's Cian Clear. I'm 21 years of age and I'm from the Welsh Isle of Anglesey in a small town called Llangefni, represented by Chapter Management. Thank you for your time.
Can you do it again, King?
Yeah, I can.
Can you look a little sleepy?
I feel sleepy.
Yeah, just wake up a bit. And then when you turn to the side, can you turn your head to the camera?
Yeah, a
Can you
bit more,
keep your
yeah.
chin down?
Yeah.
We're at Bromley tomorrow, and then
That's an event.
That's an event.
Okay.
So we're going there, and then you're gonna have Boss Fragrance. They're both star events, which are great.
Same night?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think you have to keep you in the light, and
Of
seen
course,
by
yeah.
clients, and it's just gonna make your career last longer. And I think that's where we need to go with it. And then there's Burberry.
Yeah.
So Burberry's going for more of a musician type look at the minute,
Yeah.
but we know that changes. And obviously, with your history with the brand, we're gonna see if they're gonna want to see you.
Okay.
And if they do turn up, look good, ciao.
Of course.
Do your
Yeah,
thing. Do you have any concerns about this week?
Not really. I mean, I feel like I'm just ready to get going with it. Is there anything you need from me, or?
I just need you to turn up and deliver.
Yeah, I'll deliver.
All right.
Yeah. Hey, how you doing? Ti'n iawn? Croeso.
Hello, bud,
Llundain,
good day.
baby. Ges i direct?
Do. Nath y boi pigo fyny, de. Literally, nath o meetio'r car park, de, wedyn nath o weld i gilydd, nath y boi just pigo fyny, just slamio.
Mae'r boi yn fwy liability, mate. Ti wedi gweld Adam at all?
Do,
Sut mae'r boi? Di'n iawn?
ddim, mae bod tro gofyn amdano chdi, de. Mae o bod chwarae teg, de, so. Mae methu chdi deud o'n i gyd yn, ti'n gwybod? Mae Llundain yn lle dda, ddo, de. Dwi wedi gweld y merchaid sy'n gwmpas, de.
Oh, mate.
Lot well na,
Oh,
lot
mate.
well na railway
Yeah,
Llangefni,
yeah.
de. Cofio boi na, nath ddod ato ni, dechrau mynd yma o hyd.
Yeah. There's so much ti'n gallu gael o fyma. Ond pethau fel na ti'n gallu gael. Mae na fel...
Sa'n byd at y railway, ddo, na.
Sam byd fatha adra,
He,
me.
mae pawb yna, yr hogiau i gyd yna.
Ie.
Ti'n gwybod fel, sa'n
Ie.
byd atho fo.
Na. O'n i'n dechrau cysau adra. Dwi'm yn gwybod pam, ond o'n i'n just barod i rhywbeth newydd, rhywbeth gwahanol, ie.
Ie.
Ond bod y fyma a, you know, dwi'n ar ben fy hun, ond dwi'n ben fy hun. Mae yna days pan dwi'n meddwl amdano fo, you know, dwi eisiau mynd adra.
Ie, da ni gyd edrych i fyny ato chdi ddod, de. Ti'n neud yna, de, ti'n gwybod fel. Mae'n bob dim yma, yndi, ti'n gwybod fel.
Ie.
Fel, os ti isio wneud i yn y byd, fama di'r hub, de. Fama di lle gorau i
It's
fod.
been yr opportunity, mate. You know, some opportunity adra.
Ti'n gweld o mwy na fi, ti'n gwybod beth sy'n yna.
Ie.
Pen ti'n tyfu fyny lle bach, mae meddwl chdi'n fatha bach, da chi'n gwybod,
Ie.
fatha, da chi'n mynd agor i fyny possibilities.
Sam lle i tyfu.
A da chi'n gweld o lot, mae lot o bobl yn wastio diwrnodau nhw. A chi ddim yn meddwl just yn rolio'r daith a just cadw yn mynd a ddim gael newid yn bywyd. A chi'n gweld, maen nhw just yr un peth drosodd.
Ti'n talented, ti'n ffocin ogyn smart, mate, ond mae na pethau sy'n stopio ni i symud forward. Ydych chi'n meddwl?
And so then for the Freudians, okay, give them a smile.
So, what agency?
I'm with Chapter Management.
Chapter?
Chapter Management, yeah. And my name is Kian, Kian. Cleator.
All right. So I think, the kind of walk we want is like godlike. Think of Zeus walking in a temple.
Okay.
It's still quite powerful for mares, but it's not like, we don't want an aggressive, moody walk. It's still quite like, you've got stature, you're feeling kind of power and like divine energy, confidence.
If you don't mind just popping your shoes back on and off.
Yeah. See where the godlike bits come from. No.
Should we just pop this t-shirt on the...
Reit, mae'r dyfarnwr wedi chwythu a mae Sean O'Brien cychwyn y gêm. Pencraig Panthers yn y coch a du a Clwb Pedro Talwrn yn yr air ar glas.
Ia. Mae cysgr, be uffar ti'n neud?
Tacl gadar yma gyn Dyfrig Jones.
Have you confirmed for anything yet?
Not yet.
No. Are you? No, not me.
What'd you cast for?
What have I casted for? I don't. I think 3, 4. I think this is my 4th casting.
Really?
Yeah. No. Just since the week started, dude.
Yeah.
So, but this show, it's 20 girls for 6 boys.
All right, from here to the coronary mat, please.
I'm not sure if we want it fast or slow or...
No, that's perfect. Do you have a card on you?
I don't. I think...
Well, just write the card.
You know where you're anything, you're out and breaks.
When did you get back from Tokyo, Ben?
Last night.
No.
Yeah.
All day?
Yeah, so I'm feeling a little bit mental, but that's okay.
Mae nain fi'n galw fo'n cutthroat. Ac
mae o.
Un munud ti'n, top of the world, a munud arall ti'n just sipio lawr, ond hynna mae o.
Ti'n teimlo bod e heb mynd y ffordd ti eisiau?
Dipyn bach yn doubtful, i fod yn honest. Ella ti'n mynd i casting, a mae'r tîm yn licio chdi a pob dim, a ti'n gwatsio'r show, diwrnodau sy'n dod, ac mae'na hogyn, just spitting image of chdi, yn mynd a ti'n fatha, what?
Oedd mam fi wedi dweud i fi bod ti angen thick skin i dod lan i Llundain a wneud fel unrhyw beth fashion, really. Be ti'n neud, fel actually rhoi fel gwyneb ti mas fyna. Fel, fi'n credu bod hwnna'n cymryd fel llawer o guts.
Dwi'n gwybod yn fy hun, dwi'n gallu mynd adra a ddeud, nes i'n trio fy ngorau. Os pob dim yn mynd, a dwi'n mynd nôl adra, dwi'n gwybod dwi'n
Yeah.
gallu dweud,
Yeah.
you know, dwi wedi trio.
Yeah.
Hi, Kian. Hope you're well, mate. I just wanted to leave you a little voice note. We've had some feedback. The shows this season aren't looking too good. And I just wanted to sort of give you a realistic expectation of how things might pan out. I don't want you to worry, though. It's not the be-all and end-all. And I'm sure we'll have some great options after the shows on editorial and some nice lookbooks and things. So, you know, who wants to walk in a straight line anyway, eh? But yeah, well done for your work. We'll obviously still keep pushing, but I don't think it's looking too likely. But well done, sir, and let's look forward for the season ahead. All right, take care. Let's live.
Hi, Mum.
Hi Cian, ti'n oce?
Ie, dwi'n iawn.
Sut dath Fashion Week?
Ie, oedd o'n iawn, you know, wythnos dda. Nes i'n gael un byd, ond, you know, dwi'n mynd, you know, well, dipyn disappointed, ond dwi'n mynd poeni amdano fo.
Na, paid y poeni amdano fo. Dwi'n gwybod, dwi'n dall, fyddi di'n disappointed. Mae pethau ma'n digwydd, ynddi? Dyna'r type o environment wyt ti fewn. Ond paid y colli calon drosto fo. Da ni gyd yma i chdi, da ni gyd yma'n caru chdi, supportio chdi, da ni efo chdi 110%.
Ie, dwi'n gwybod.
So, paid y poeni dim, cos dwi'n gwybod Cian, ti'n mynd i wneud yn dda, ti yn. Little bump in the road, little setback, ond blaen, rise or fall, da ni gyd yma i chdi.
Ie, na,
So,
dwi'n gwybod.
paid y poeni dim amdano fo. Dwi'n mysio chdi, ti'n bod, colli calon yn beth ti'n neud na byd fel la. Dwi'n gwybod ti'n mynd teip o hogyn i neud hynna anyway. Ond dwi hefyd yn gwybod, you have your moments fatha pawb arall.
Ie,
Paid y gadael hyn cael chdi lawr. Paid. It's just a little setback on a long road.
Na neud fy ngorau, ac, you know,
Dwi'n
na
gwybod
neud ti'n prowd.
Dwi'n gwybod, dwi'n proud o'n chdi anyway, dim ots be. Dim ots be, dwi wedi deud hyn atho chdi o blaen. Dwi'n proud o honna chdi dim ots be.
Diolch, you know, o'n i angen yna.
Yeah, well, no thanks needed.
Iawn.
Dyna beth dwi yma i da.
Iawn.
100%. 150%.
Na, just y dechrau, mam.
Yeah, dwi'n gwybod. I have every faith in you, my boy. Siarad efo chdi fory, iawn?
Iawn.
Oce.
Nice.
Ta.
Diolch. Love you.
Ta.
Cardiff.
Love you.
Love you too, mam.